Hi, I'm Steve Barnes, Director in charge of Property Insurance at Total Landlord Insurance. Today we're going to be talking about burst pipes. Claims caused by burst pipes are one of the most common we receive at Total Landlord Insurance, especially during the colder winter months of the year. The reason for this is even the smallest leak can lead to significant property damage if it's not spotted and dealt with quickly. And that can be particularly tricky in winter when pipes can easily freeze and burst behind the scenes before your tenants are aware there's even a problem. Preparing your pipes for cold weather by carrying out regular maintenance and repairs is key to preventing burst pipes, but it's just as important to communicate clearly with your tenants so they know what to do to reduce the risks too. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some practical maintenance tips to help you avoid a burst pipe. Check pipe and associated plumbing during regular inspections so you can identify problems early. Seal any air leaks that allow cold air into your property where pipes are located, for example around electrical wiring, dryer vents and pipes. Lag pipes and insulate. This will provide extra protection against frost. Pipes in unheated areas, including lofts and basements, or those fixed inside of external walls, are most at risk from freezing. Pipes should be lagged using insulation foam, sleeving. The thinner the pipe, the thicker the insulation should be. Service your boiler and central heating annually before winter to prevent breakdowns during cold spells when it is working the hardest. There are a number of steps your tenant can take to avoid the risk of a burst pipe, so make sure you communicate these clearly, especially during the winter months. Advise tenants to leave the heating on low, around 13 degrees centigrade if they are going away. This will prevent temperatures from dropping below freezing in any part of the property. Make sure tenants are aware of the location of the stopcock and know how to turn off the water if needed in an emergency or if they are going away. In very cold weather, ask tenants to leave cupboard doors open under the kitchen sink and bathroom cabinets to allow warm air to circulate. Make sure tenants know to let you know immediately if they spot any problems, such as a leaking toilet, so that you can rectify them before they escalate. Provide your details with tenants of a reliable plumber for use in an emergency. Of course, despite landlords' best efforts, it's not possible to eliminate the risk of burst pipes entirely, so make sure you have comprehensive landlord insurance in place so that you're protected in the event that your property is damaged by a burst pipe. For more guidance on preventing burst pipe, please visit our website totallandlordinsurance.co.uk, and remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Simply search for Total Landlord Insurance.